Which is a very long time on the internet. Alright, here we go. Hopefully Josh has not scammed me. Oh, no. It's looking good. I can see the YouTube logo. You might just be able to see it through the bubble wrap. I can see a little gold play button as well. That's very cool. Oh, there it is. Look at that. It's a lot bigger than I thought it would be. So there you go. As you can see, it's got the zips. It's got the nice sort of thumbnail textures on it. What do you even do with this? Does it go around you here? Does it go around you like a fanny pack or something? Yay! It looks like a nappy. I think it's meant to go over your shoulder. These things are weird. I wonder why they got discontinued. This is very cool though. This is a proper piece of history. So you can see that YouTube logo has been embroidered in, and then you can take a look at the actual little zips as well. I love the play button zips. They are very, very cool. We'll go ahead and unzip it so we can... Oh! Look at this. Inspected and packaged with great care by Josh. Thank you, Josh. I appreciate that little extra. That's unreal. I think I'm going to actually use this, though, when we go on holiday. It's so much larger than I expected it to be. There's a lot to it. Like, look at the size of it compared to my head. I could probably get my head in here, to be fair. Look at this. Oh, actually, it's a bit tight. But we can get a pretty cool hat out of it. Whoa, look at this. You know what, this reminds me of something. Wait there, I'll be right back. So this here is the box that my 2013 play button came in, and if you look underneath, as you can see, it is the exact same textures. It's the same design as you can see on both. So I just thought that was nice to mention. I wonder if we can actually spot anything on here. Yes, I can. Right there, that is Philip DeFranco's old YouTube intro with the monkey. And then, oh my god, it's Annoying Orange. That's not the Annoying Orange. That's one of Annoying Orange's friends. Let me know in the comments who it is.